This welding cart was designed for oxygen and propane. Don't use it for welding, it's just for cutting and heating. And because it has to hold a propane tank, it's a little wider in this area right here. Now I do have the oxygen tank chained onto the cart, but this just sits freely where it is. It doesn't seem to be a problem at all. The hoses are actually clamped here so that they stay where they are. And the bottom part here is made out of 1.5 by 3/16 stock. And the rest of it is tubing, 1 by 1 inch tubing. In the back here, you can see I have put an axle. The axle is made out of 1 inch round tubing, and I turned down plugs on the lathe to press fit into that, and they have a 5/8 threaded extension to allow the wheels to be mounted. Here's a look at the back. I've created a little, looks very much like a water hose hanger, and it is very much like one. It's a little smaller, but that keeps your hose neatly coiled up on the back. The box here is made out of 2 inch by 1/8 inch stock, and underneath here we have a hole drilled so that the nozzle of the welding attachment here will fit into that, so it won't slide out, and it holds it very nicely in there. Now we're going to go take a look at the entire assembly out in the garage and just show you how easily it does move around and how stable it really is.
No, I don't have my tripod out here, so the camera's sitting on the workbench. Now, when the wheels were welded on this, the axle, it sat upright like this. I rolled the axle up and tacked it on. Now everything sits really nice and flat, and you can move it around quite easily. It's very solid. No problem to move this. And that's it.
If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.